Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to create automated welcome emails in ConvertKit. Now the first thing I want you to do is just log in, and here in your dashboard, come to the top, click on send. From this drop down, select sequences. And then I want you to just go ahead and create a new sequence. So come to the top right, click on new sequence. You'll get two options. One is text only, the other is welcome email. For this example, choose welcome email. Now this is a template. You can go ahead and edit this as you please. Everything here can be edited. And to make this go live, all you need to do is toggle this one on where it says publish. Just toggle this on. And what we'll do now is go ahead and click here on. After 1 day, this drop down, we can adjust the settings. So you can change this to send it after, let's say, 1 hour. You can change the number of days. If you would like it not to be sent on Sunday, you can toggle this one off. As you can see, it's not being sent on Sunday. If we toggle this one off again, this will only leave weekdays. As you can see, only on weekdays, not weekends. We'll keep these on as well. And you can, create a compelling subject as well. You can change that if you want. You can preview this and see what it would look like to the subscriber. Let's close this. You can also look at it on a mobile as well, see what that would look like. Let's go ahead and close this, and let me show you this section. So when you click on settings, you'll be able to see what email address you're going to be using to send it as, and you can adjust these other settings further. Okay, and when you're ready, just go ahead and toggle this one on to publish it, or you can click here on publish. By the way, just remember, this is a paid feature and this is currently live. So it's really that easy to create automated welcome emails in ConvertKit.